Hi, I'm Deon Cecile. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at organizing for accountability using 5 simple steps and 3 things to get there. Let's go. The first one is to set a ritual. Set your ritual or maintain the one that you already have. That may be getting up and having your cup of coffee, going for a walk, or just planning your day ahead. Whatever it is, it helps to kickstart your day and lets your mind and body know that you're ready for action. 2. Plan according to your energy. Most of us are energized in the mornings. For some of us, that may be afternoon or evening, but whatever time of day it is, use that time to focus on your critical tasks. Then 3, you need to be writing it down. Keeping it in your head is never a good option. You either procrastinate or you forget. And when you write things down, you tend to remember. You can go back and look at it and follow up on things that you need to do. 4. Use technology. There are so many apps available out there, whether free or paid, that you can use to help plan, organize, or schedule your life. And it makes things so much easier, and it helps you to focus on more critical items and work more efficiently. Then there's incorporating idle time. You need to take mental breaks throughout your day, especially now when we're working from home and undergoing so much stress. It helps you to refocus and to re-energize. So let's summarize. First, you're going to remember to set a ritual or maintain the one you already have. Plan according to your energy. Write it down. Use technology. And remember to incorporate idle time so you work on keeping your mental health at optimum. Alright, so what are the 3 things you're going to need for that? You're going to need a planner, a journal or notebook, and dedicated time. Your planner or journal can be electronic, or you can use your regular books and have dedicated time so that you can have everything organized. Alright folks, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, share, and of course subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you always know when something new is out. Bye!